Oh no, again this man telling me something about XRP. He already depressed me with his last video about the SEC lawsuit. Hello traders and welcome to this new video. Yes, we're going to talk again about XRP because it is in this case something positive. I know last video was not the best one because yeah, we've been just facing something which I call the big manipulation. So manipulation at its purest with the SEC exactly that week when Bitcoin closed above his ultimate high. The SEC started that lawsuit with XRP. Yeah, I don't know what I should tell you anymore. So it's, from my point of view, not a random day. It was super pure manipulation at the end. So it was the intention. That is the question. Was it an intention or not? I think yes. But I have in this video something very positive. So we've been speaking on this channel very often about XRP. So I explained to you where is liquidity, I explained to you these cycles, everything. But let me show you today a second theory. And I didn't show you that theory so far because it's only available since the price dropped like this, like it is currently doing it. It's just confirming right now that the second theory is super good. I would say, what is the second theory? Is there something different? Well, actually not. This is the thing. So the result is still the same, which is super good for us, because if the second theory will tell us we will go only till $3, then there's just nothing positive about this kind of thing. But the price in this case came to the same conclusion. And this is what we're going to do in today's video. So I'm going to open right now here my chart, and I'm going to show you right now something from the weekly time frame. And this is currently the new stuff. So we've been discussing so far the whole accumulation, right? So we've been going through price did a 96% correction from there till here. So from the highest point till the lowest point, we got 96% correction. The same repeated over there. And we've seen price being 3 years in a consolidation in that accumulation phase. So here, big investors have been accumulating their position to bring the price in just 1 year crazy to the upside, making here something around 68,000 percentages. And this is why I thought to do XRP this year again, the same, but it did not at the end. It was kind of super clear because I gave you the examples that XRP was at the end of 2017 one of the top coins. So we had Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and XRP. And if you compare right now only the top three, if you just compare right now Ethereum, Bitcoin with XRP, you will see that the transaction fees for Bitcoin and for Ethereum are much higher than XRP, and massively much higher. Also, the transaction time is way too long when you compare it to XRP, because XRP just needs something around 3 to 5 seconds, and transaction fee is 0.0002. Bitcoin something around 20 to 50. Ethereum also something similar, and transaction took way too long. So watch the video over here in the corner if you would like to see more details about that video. Now, everything repeated itself till this point over there. So price really started this huge move up, but with one difference. It looks like price is doing only this one. So only this part is the same. The other ones, you need to interpret it like this, that the price started from here, pushing up like till this zone, and that this is this here. This is how we need to feel right now, because exactly the common things are almost the same if you look the second cycle. So I'm not sure if you remember these, but I parted this whole bull run over there in 3 parts, and specifically 3 pumps. So pump number 1, pump number 2, pump number 3. So price just corrected 2 times, okay, and everything else was just bullish price action. And this is why I've seen this as pump 1, pump 2, and here we got pump number 3. I expected this year that this kind of thing will be repeated as well. So not only the accumulation phase, which is super identically, we can map it out in a triangle and stuff like that. But what I've recognized recently is that the price is doing the same like it did here currently. So the whole price action is almost the same. And now we're going to dive into this one. So I'm switching right now to the daily time frame. And here we are comparing right now. So the blue thing that here is just the bar replay, which I copied this whole movement and I just overlaid it over here. And what you can see is insane. So price almost at the same target. I know it went a little bit higher in this case here, but look at this. Here price ended up with the second pump and gave us a huge correction. Huge correction. What you can see afterwards is price went up higher, giving us here a double top. What the market did here is the same, double top over there. And then price corrected strongly, giving us here a low, which price gave us here as well. Then giving us a move up, giving us a move up, and then dropping to the downside, dropping to the downside. Then you see here double bottom, with a push up higher. And this is right now where everything is completely the same, and it completely fascinated me, and I'm super happy currently because I've seen this kind of thing. But look at this. This is right now again almost the same. So it's incredible. So you can see right now these things over here, how they're repeating itself. So it looks super the same. Everything, guys. So really, this is really mind-blowing to me right now. And what I think right now is that the price is currently here. So the price is there yet. So this is what the price is currently forming. It's forming this low. You can see also it's in that one triangle thing over here, which is a continuation pattern. Works pretty good on the XRP, as you can see. So it did in the past as well. So we should be here something. Okay, so you can interpret it a little bit like you would like to do it. But there's no doubt about these things that it is the same. Because look at this. Price broke here the structure. Price broke here the structure as well. Okay, this so it's incredible. Really, it's really fascinating me right now how identical this kind of thing is currently. And we are so close right now. So I told you that the end of the year it will be the end for XRP. So it will reach its top and then it will go lower for a deeper correction. So I don't know right now how far this correction will go. Everything will depend right now on how the market will be developed right in the next couple of days, weeks, and months, if it will really go up higher. But if we follow these movements, then we came to a new target actually, because price can go up till $21. Now, we've faced here the situation that the price went up a little bit higher here in the past, and here it's a little bit lower. So it could mean that the price will not go that much. And specifically, this one here could be our top. So something between $14 to $16 is what I see to be super realistic, the top. Of course, 21 could be the top as well. Now, it's difficult right now to predict something like that. But as you can see, currently everything is moving almost the same. So it's so identically. So I've never seen something like that. This is the best chart right now. So for us, for a smart money concept trader, for a trader, this is super mind-blowing to see something like that. And this is what makes me right now super confident that the XRP will really blow up till the end of the year like that. So anything else makes so much sense. The bull run is here. We're still there. Bitcoin is currently right now doing a correction, which is good for us as well, because at the point when Bitcoin is doing corrections and it will go down lower, the altcoin season will be here and they will pump up everything. Because the idea of the altcoin season is that the profit realized on the Bitcoin will be put into the all coins in that moment. Also for Bitcoin, I still see the price going up higher. So till going up till 70 till 85,000, which could be the top. So we still have a little bit time also for XRP. Now, if we just watch the most recent price action, a price for XRP could drop here below this trend line. So I'm not sure if this trend line will hold, because we got here a level of demand which could be tested once again. If you follow the past price action, it could dive in like this into the green demand zone or into this demand zone. So not sure what the price will really do, but we have right now some options for it, and to be honest, I do not care about that. I would just look here from an investing perspective. Watching it from a trading perspective could be kind of difficult, because you will see that your positions will be liquidated very often in this case, because they don't want you to go up with them. So you will see very big manipulation here playing around. So if you're from an investing perspective in this market, then there is no doubt for you. So you should just buy. If you didn't buy right now, you have 10x possibility, which is crazy. So just closing at $10 would be enough actually. So you don't need to close it specifically at $14 if you cannot do it, if you're not at the charts anytime, if you cannot afford this. Then of course just close it at $10 when you will see that price will be there. So I'm super happy right now to tell you this great news that I found this kind of thing out. It's just really inspiring me, and I'm too confident right now that XRP will really blow up like that. And I know SSC stuff like that, but imagine right now that the SSC will lose in this case, and XRP would just go boom crazy to the upside. That will be another extra boost, and potentially this will be even the reason why XRP at the end will pump up like that. So I'm not sure how everything will come together, but it makes right now, from a price action perspective, so much sense. Right now, just a few words to end this video, because why I'm so confident about XRP is because I'm showing you right now these patterns, right? I'm showing you right now the past. Okay, what occurred in the past. Why is it so important for us currently that this could be the same right now? Well, you need to understand people will not change that fast. So it's just a few years. So we got the same mindset, kind of. We got the same psychology. It will work the same. So the big investors, they don't need right now to do something new in order for them to make profit at the end. The only thing which they need to do is to just follow the same rules that they've been following for years. And that's it. And this is what we traders need to do as well. We investors who are smart, right? Because we need to think about every decision that we do, because we will pay for the right decision, not for making thousands of decisions. We will pay for the sum of the right decisions at the end, and that's it. And this is why I think that the people will do the same. So people do not believe in XRP, and this is why at the end they will realize their profits, okay, at this moment where the price is, and this will make for the other ones the possibility to buy it, because at the moment where you are realizing your profit, you will be automatically a seller. That's the supply demand relationship at the end over here in the trading market, in the forex market, in the crypto market, in the investing market. And this will allow them to push the price up higher. And just imagine they will all realize the profit at $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, and so on. And this will make the price pushing up higher. So setting realistic targets for XRPUSD is not the best idea, because at realistic targets, like for example right now $3, everybody would exit at $3, but who would exit at $14? Why specifically $14? Well, only the advanced traders and investors over there will do it, because it makes much sense from a statistics perspective. And this is why this is the power of it, to not use a realistic target at the end. This is what I explained to you on Bitcoin as well. So I'm not using 100K as my target, because 100K is just a realistic target, and realistic targets will never met. And you have two options. Option number one, they will be much lower than your realistic target, or your realistic target is much lower than the target which will occur at the end. these two options we have, and this is why I'm so confident of the XRP, because I know there are so many traders, investors who do not believe in it. I'm still here. I'm still believing in it. Hopefully I could encourage you in this video to still stay in the XRP. Of course, you can leave it right now if you feel comfortable with that. If you're okay with that, then do this. And if you're scary to invest your money in XRP, then this is also okay. It's your personal decision. What I'm sharing here with you is just my final thoughts to XRP. So I'm just holding right now till $14, and I will close it over there, and I will just wait for price to correct down lower, that I can invest afterwards even more positions. That's my plan for the XRP. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. See you then in the next time, guys. Bye bye.